Hi folks, AJ the Bartender, and this week I'm going to be showing you how to make the Kir Royale. The Kir Royale is a champagne drink, and it's made with crème de cassis and sparkling wine or champagne. Sometimes there's a substitute for Chambord, but this week we're going to be using crème de cassis. Now, crème de cassis is made from black currants. The crème de cassis was originally created 150 years ago in Burgundy, France. Now, black currants had a ban put on them in the latter half of the 19th century because they carried white pine rust with some of the imports, which were a threat to the timber industry. In 2003, the latest state to repeal the ban was New York, and it's since had a hard time getting its popularity back. So to make the Royal Kir, which was named after Félix Kir, who was a French resistance war hero, we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of crème de cassis. Then we're gonna fill with sparkling wine, and we're gonna add a lemon twist. You can add raspberries to the drink. I like a lemon twist because it has a little variation of color to it, and it gives it kind of a lemon flavor. The blackcurrant is kind of a deeper tasting fruit. It almost reminds me of a blackberry and a raspberry, but it's a little bit deeper, and it just has a kind of a distinct smoky-like flavor to it. It's a light drink. It's a good aperitif. I have never tried crème de cassis before just now, and I like it. I'd say that it's not the immediate go-to, and I can see it having a hard time after the ban getting steam because it's, well, it's just an odd fruit. The black currant reminds me of one of those trees you have in your neighborhood, and it's got these things growing off it, and you are excited to see what's growing on this plant, and it turns out it's just something that nobody knows what it is or understands or knows how to use in anything. It's not a mainstream fruit, the blackcurrant, but it's, let's see how it smells. I don't know how to describe that. This would be a good New Year's Eve drink or a birthday party. You impress people because you know what the hell this is. That'd be interesting. You could tell people, hey, have you ever had blackcurrant infused champagne? And they'll say, what the hell is a blackcurrant? And you say, well, what are your thoughts on white pine rust? It's a delicious drink. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Nothing's free in this world. Cheers.